Hey everybody, it's Marc Adams here, and I'd like to share with you some of my favorite tools. And these tools that I want to show you right now coincide with the class I'm teaching. Right now I'm teaching a class on making a rocking chair that has sculptural features to it. So in order to create those sculptural features, you do it by hand. And so we could take an arm for a chair that's big and thick and heavy and almost awkward like this, and between two simple tools, a Japanese Sureform, which is basically nothing more than a bandsaw blade with a bunch of teeth on one side that are a little bit coarser than the other. And one of my most favorite tools of all is a Nicholson number 49 rasp. Now this is an older one, so it was made in America, but it's those two tools that I'm going to use. The other things that are nice to have when you do this rasping work are gloves to protect your hands, and then some kind of special tape to just wrap around your fingers to protect them, because sometimes these can get to be pretty sticky as you're running them. So these are my favorite tools, and what I could do is I could take these and I could put it into a vise. I could come back and I could start doing all my rasping work, and it does burn a lot of calories. But by the time I get done doing my shaping, I could take this from this big blocky look and turn it into something that's lighter and more flowing and graceful all the way around. And all of this shaping was done totally by hand with these two tools. Hey, I like to share with people a lot about my favorite tools, and it just happens that this is a week where I'm using these the most. Next week we'll have something else to share with you from whatever our projects are that we're making next week. You can always find out more about us by going to our webpage and looking at all the fun workshops we have available. See you next time.